Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the power windows, fuses, relays are located on Chevy Equinox. That generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where you can find these fuses and relays. We'll talk about that. We'll share information about hidden fuse boxes, information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will put that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So guys, the power windows, fuses, relays, we'll show you where you can find them on that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice here now from us guys. Most people that own that Chevy Equinox, 9 out of 10 owners will not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money guys. What we need to do today, open the hood. Lucky for us, we work in a fuse box that's easy to get to, facing the engine on the right side. Right here on the driver's side, that's your main engine fuse box. Here you have one clip there. Squeeze them together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why guys it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And now you wonder where the fuses are located. In completely opposite, okay, ends of the fuse box guys. We'll need to check two main fuses. Okay, let's explain where you can find them. The first one guys will be, then we'll talk about the relay as well, but the first one is fuse number 4. That fuse here will need to be checked, 30 amp fuse. You have another one as well, and then we're talking about fuse number 15, another 30 amp fuse. Okay, let's focus perfect, just like this one, this fuse as well. What about the relays? You don't have relays, those are known as relay fuses. But guys, if you have problems with your power windows, always check fuses relays for the BCM, the body control module, because you have multiple fuses that will regulate the BCM and it's responsible for the power windows as well. So if you want to see where the BCM, body control module, fuses, relays are located, we'll have the video on the channel for any of you needing that information. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.